Okay, so I divided the student for 3 groups. Now giving them to plan for evacuation. So the 2 groups will act as a passenger and the other group will act as a crew, evacuating the passenger, managing the crowd. So kayo ay group 2. Group 1? Group 1. Sino ang group 2? Oh, that is the group 2 under by 3rd officer.
Third, kaso may third din doon.
Okay, so ito naman ay group 3.
Third din yan.
Okay, yun.
Pag nasa master station na.
From master station, after reporting to the command center or to the bridge na all passengers and crew accounted for, then magpo-post ng kaunti, the command center will give order to transfer from master station going to the embarkation station, a single file using the crocodile queue. Okay. But prior than that, you should demonstrate to the passenger using your crew and demonstrating the crocodile queue. Okay, kopya. Okay, bibigyan ko pa kayo ng another 10 to 15 minutes before we start the practical. Thank you.
Just watch your step. Thank you. Watch your step.
Careful, careful.
Thank you. Watch your step. Okay. One side. Please watch your step. Thank you. Thank you.
Yan, dumami ng dumami, ang trainee. 4th batch. So, complete na.
Help them
Daming
putting
tao.
the life jacket on. Please assist them in putting the life jacket.
Okay, thank you.
Please find the life.
Sir, can you get front?
Dali!
Anybody home? Sir?
Oh, buksan mo na.
What the fuck is the channel?
We have
What?
a situation, sir.
What was happening here?
We have a
What?
situation, sir. We are going to Master Station.
Where?
Sir. We are safe place, sir. This sir, this bigger person.
Wait. Where's my bag?
Sir.
Did you get my medicine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, don't forget my medicine in my cabinet.
Medicine, sir. I will be.
What's happening? What, man? Hey!
No, sir. We will assist you, sir, to your master station, sir.
What? Come on, man. I forgot my wallet. Where's my wallet? I love you. And then... Hey! Oh, I saw you last night, huh? Why you charge me for...
Just watch your step. Thank you. Watch your step.
Careful, careful.
Thank you. Watch your step.
Okay, Captain na.
Go.
Wala kang stairway.
Slowly, slowly.
Galingan.
Naputol! Patayin mo na yan. Dapat doon ka sa kabila. Hindi siya. Saan yung command? Nasaan yung guy dito na magpapa-invite na dalawa?
Yes, command center. Now we're starting to embark the passengers to lifeboat.
Okay, Captain na. Please start the embarking the passenger.
Copy that. Sir,
Grupo lang doon, no?
Go ahead. One,
Sa likod.
two. Come on, center. Come on, center. Okay.
Pasok ka ma'am, di ka nakikita. Dito ka sa unahan. Yan.
La 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 la.
Ride on, ano yan? New Wave, ano?
Oh, Louie.
Ride on, New Wave ba yun? Mountain Excellences. 1, 2, 3. Ride on New Wave! Mountain Excellences. Okay, thank you.
Please watch your step. Watch your step. Please watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step.
Oh, depart na.
Please, embark the boat.
Yes, please watch your step. One by one, please. Okay. One by one. Watch your
Another
step.
one here, please.
Watch your step. Right. Mas
Slowly, slowly, sir.
Slowly, slowly. Watch your step.
Watch your step.
Thank you. Watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step.
Slowly, slowly.
Madapasa na kayo. Okay. Watch your step.
Slowly, slowly.
Okay.
Para maganda sa picture.
Serious mo na.
Seryoso muna, seryoso.
2, 3.
Ride the new way, maritime excellence.
Once more.
Ride the new way, maritime excellence.
Okay.
La 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 la.
Ride on, ano yan? New Wave, ano?
Oh, Louie.
Ride on, New Wave ba yun? Mountain Excellences. 1, 2, 3. Ride on New Wave!